What's up guys, this is Wajahat Ahmed Khan from InnoRative and today I'm doing a review on LG G6. So if you are interested in the review, you're gonna watch that. I have used this phone for like 6 months and so that's why I'm reviewing, not doing an unboxing thing. So I have used it for some time and then this is the review from me. The LG G6 is covered in a mix of glass and metal with 2 sheets of Gorilla Glass. Although it's Gorilla Glass 5 on the rear, but only much older Gorilla Glass 3 on the front. Framed with the rim of aluminium, what's most impressive is how little bezels there is on this phone. We have seen the same kind of design from Samsung on Galaxy S8, but the narrow bezels have been shrunken top and bottom to create an impressive effect. When you turn the phone on, the LG G6 is smooth and glossy all the way around. The rear of the phone is smooth with no camera bumps. There are 2 sensors on the rear of the phone above the round fingerprint sensor, which also doubles as power button. At the bottom of the phone is a single speaker next to USB-C connector. LG has kept the headphone jack at the top, a declining trend of dropping connectors as it keeps more traditional. And also it is water and dust resistant. Talk about UI, it has LG's customized Android experience and it runs Android 8.0 Oreo, which is pretty smooth. Performance wise, this phone never lags in menu and most of the apps just run smooth. Gaming experience on the other hand is also good. You can easily play latest games like PUBG and Fortnite on normal settings but not on the high, so keep that in mind. To match the stretched display, the resolution here sits at 2880 by 1440 and even though it isn't AMOLED, it delivers vivid colors and deep blacks. Speakers are good, not too loud, and sound is neat and clear. Camera haven't seen a huge improvement in G6 over its predecessor, but there have been a few tweaks to already impressive setup. Just like the G5, the G6 has 2 sensors sitting next to each other on the rear of the device. One is your typical camera with 13 megapixel optical image stabilizer f1.8 aperture. The other has much wider field of view, though it lacks ISO and has much narrow f2.4 apertures, so low light snaps won't be quite as good as it doesn't have autofocus either. But since that focal point is so wide, it doesn't really make a difference. Pictures often lack depth. There's plenty of detail. Colors can look a bit drab. The wide-angle sensor is much better than one previous model. This cell has 3300 mAh battery and it has always managed to get through the day. Although not far beyond that, an hour of Spotify streaming consumes between 4 to 5%, an hour of Netflix around 11%. And if you are a gaming guy, playing PUBG on this phone consumes an hour of gaming consume 30% of the battery. It charges up via USB Type-C and support quick charge free for faster charging. You can go from 0 to 100 in about 1 hour and 25 minutes, which is actually a little slower than I'd expect, but you'll get a 20% boost in as many minutes. It performs strangely when chargers aren't made by LG. So here's my final verdict. Once phone was released back then, it was expensive, but nowadays it is selling on the lower price like $250, which is not too high. So this phone is more appealing now. Overall, it is an impressive smartphone, simple Android flagship, let down by few odd decisions. But if you want to get one, go ahead and do that because it is really nice phone. That's it for today guys. I hope you liked my video and if you liked it, click on like and don't forget to subscribe.